on.
Kevin Reid, coach of Waterford High School.
All right, coach, 1-1, game ended 1-1. I know you guys would want the 3 points because the opportunity presents itself. A Calabar team that is looking to strike back based off that humiliating defeat that they had in the first game. What's your evaluation of your team performance for this game?
Yeah, man, well, we played in patches, and I must say, you know, we had a better second half. But I believe that we should have won that game.
You guys went 1-0 down early in the first half. What was the instruction at halftime to get back the guys going and keeping their head up?
Yeah, man, at halftime I just told them that, listen, we have to keep calm, have patience. Patience, get by the middle of the game. And that's exactly what they did. And we'll see the result. Alright,
so the man of the match, the number 6, he was playing up high in the central area, did a lot of work. Then what was the reason why you drop him into the defensive third?
Yeah, man, he's a very defensive player. And you know, we need him right there. And he worked from instruction, he did exactly what he's supposed to do. In the middle right there. And that's the reason why, you know, we didn't lose that game today.
Alright, coach, 4 points to Waterford. Well done, and see you guys on the next game.